Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Twitch application into your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Twitch into your device, you just simply have to open your Play Store application at very first. And now after opening the Play Store, just simply tap into the search tab and then after that search for Twitch into here. Then after searching Twitch, this Twitch live game streaming application will appear. You just simply have to open that application and then you will get to see this install button in here. Just simply tap into that install button and after a short moment of processing, your Twitch application will successfully be installed. This way, you can easily install your Twitch application into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.